Hello friends, we'll just start in a minute, waiting for some more participants to join. Thank you for your patience. Hello everyone. Thank you for attending the webinar. Thank you for taking out your time on Sunday uh, for the webinar. So friends, hope all of you are doing well. How is your investment doing? Can you write on chat? कैसा आप लोग का investment चल रहा है? If you write on chat, all going well. Thank you, Jitesh Bhalla ji. Anyone else wants to reply? All good. Happy with investment idea. Great. So that is our motto, that people remain happy with the investments, because see, markets are, as I said in my last webinar also, कि markets के run बहुत अच्छे हैं, but at the same time, sometime as the life goes, or we have a happy moment and we have sad moment. So there's one very good understanding that I got from my elders. They used to say कि God provide only two kind of scenario in life. The one is good and other is bad, and it's we who make good very good and bad very bad. So why did I say this right now? Because most of these stocks which doesn't have good fundamental, because it's a good time, market is going up, so हो सकता है हम लोग कुछ ऐसे स्टॉक्स में इन्वेस्ट कर दें इस समय जिनका फंडामेंटल अच्छा नहीं है, जिनके क्वार्टरली रिजल्ट नेगेटिव आ रहे हैं, कंपनी लॉसेस में है. Anybody who has investment in a company who is still in loss, I have 32 people right now. So क्या कोई भी ऐसे हैं जिनका इन्वेस्टमेंट इन लॉस मेकिंग कंपनी है, that company is in loss in a recent quarter and you are holding it? Loss, I don't think IPCA lab is in loss. No, I don't think Siraj Multani ji. So anybody, अगर ऐसा है तो बहुत ही सिंपल उपाय है. Yes, अगर आपके पास येस बैंक है, सुजलॉन है, which are in losses, sir, it's time to exit from these stocks. जहां भी मिले, I know it's very difficult. Not in loss and profits में loss है, sorry. आपके पोर्टफोलियो में लॉस से मतलब नहीं है. I'm not talking about loss in your portfolio. I'm talking about उनका results negative आया, results. Okay. जो लास्ट क्वार्टर मार्च क्वार्टर का रिजल्ट आया वो भी नेगेटिव आया, लॉस दी है कंपनी, रिजल्ट लॉस है. If somebody is holding that kind of companies, I would request everyone कि please exit those companies. it's a best time. वो स्टॉक्स गिर नहीं रहे होंगे, बाकायदा हो सकता है वो बढ़ रहे होंगे, on the contrary they must be rising. So any stocks, either it be South Indian Bank, Suzlon, Yes Bank, I know these are the companies which are still having losses, so I would request to exit those companies. We are about to discuss about IPO now. Why I'm discussing loss and profit now? Because friend, कोई भी कंपनी का शुरुआत, कोई भी कंपनी का स्टार्ट, इट स्टार्ट विथ, तो हम लोग आईपीओ डिस्कस करने वाले, विच इज शुभारंभ ऑफ कंपनी इन स्टॉक मार्केट. If you talk what is an IPO, IPO is nothing, it's a शुभारंभ of investments or collecting money from general investors of a company from stock market. So friends, इसमें हम लोगों को बहुत ध्यान रखना है, कंपनी तो शुभारंभ कर ही रही है, and if we are also investing, then we should be very careful that कोई भी IPO आए, अगर कोई कंपनी लॉस मेकिंग है तो उसमें हम लोग इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं करेंगे. Can I have this maybe markets, because friend, IPOs they come in bull market. जनरली कोई भी नई कंपनी होती है जो आईपीओ लेके आती है, वो बुल मार्केट में लाती है, और बुल मार्केट में इसलिए लाती है बिकॉज सेंटिमेंट ऑफ जनरल पब्लिक इज yes, but they are not coming with IPO right now, Jigar ji, so we don't need to worry about it. Whenever I think they will, whenever they will be in profits, they will then go for an IPO. So what happened friends, जब भी कोई कंपनी बुल मार्केट होती है, they come with the IPOs, और हम लोग क्या होते हैं, genuine investors. And let me tell you friends, we genuine investors, you all are very innocent people. हम लोग तो एड देख के ही अच्छे एड देख के ही हम लोग भावुक हो जाते हैं, और we just on emotions we buy these companies, and ultimately we then start losing money. Our hard-earned money we start losing. So friends, IPO का, because this is a session for IPO, so for IPO के लिए सबसे पहला, सबसे foremost, हालांकि अपना चारों पैरामीटर हम लोग को ध्यान रखना है, लेकिन उसके ऊपर भी मैं आपको बता रहा हूं, कोई भी IPO अगर आप इन्वेस्ट कर रहे हैं तो प्लीज लुक इनटू द प्रॉफिट्स ऑफ द कंपनी. So friends, let's start with the upcoming IPOs that are coming in. So friends, if you go to valuestocks.in, let me also I think most of you are our customer already. जो लोग नए join किए, anybody who has joined for the first time? Anybody? We have 43 people. Anybody who has joined for the first time? Anyone who has joined for the first time? Okay, I think there is one person who has joined for the first time. Yes, Chandra Babuji, I will be sharing each and every, none of the valuable message will be given in Hindi. Everything will be given in English, as well as I will also add some Hindi because for some people. So you don't need to worry that anything will be missed out for you. I will make sure that. Okay. Okay, Dayal Malik ji is new. Thank you, sir, for showing first trust. So friends, if you go to valuestocks.in and if you click on upcoming IPO, you can see the section on the menu button. There is an option which is upcoming IPO. If you click on this, you will see हम लोगों ने पूरा लिस्ट दे देते हैं हम लोग कि कौन कौन सी कंपनियों का IPO आने वाला है, which are the companies that is going to announce the IPO, ठीक है, और कब इशू डेट है, कब एंड डेट है. तो 16 जून को डोडला डायरी आ रही है, डेयरी. Then is Krishna Institute of Medical Science Limited on 16 June. On 14 June, Shyam Metal and Energy Limited is coming with the IPO. And Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited is coming on 14 June. So friends, जैसा मैंने आपको कहा the utmost important thing to keep in mind if you are going for an IPO, because who all are, let me ask, who all invest IPO only for the IPO to list and then exit? कौन कौन ऐसे लोग हैं? We have 45 people. And how many of you are investing in IPO? First of all, let me understand that. How many of you are, okay, Johnny ji, okay, Chandrababu ji, okay. I got 4 yeses, 4 me, okay. 4 people out of 45. No, now more yeses and me is coming. Okay. I think almost 10, 15 people are investing in IPO. Okay. So those who are investing in IPO, how many of you now my second query to you is, how many of you are actually buying the applying for the IPO, and after you get allotment, the day when company list on generally IPOs का यही target रहता है general investors का, on listing day, if company opens 20-30% upside, you exit. How many of you do this? In fact, I do this, huh? Because okay, exit. Yeah, mostly not allotted. Sankarji, no issue. Keep on investing, keep on applying, you will get. So sometime, okay. Rest all hold IPO. If you guys are not replying, then I will understand. You hold after you get application, you hold IPO. Okay, Rashmi ji is not exiting. She is holding IPO. Is it correct, Rashmi ji? Good, keep bad sell. Okay, great. Hold if loss. Okay, hold if loss. No. Okay, got it. I exit. Yes, I do. Investment purpose. Okay, Chandra Babuji is for investment purpose. So the outcome which looks like, the most of the people who invest in IPO do have a short-term outlook, because I think everybody knows this. For general investors, 14,000 you need to invest in IPO, and you are not allowed for more, or you will not get more. In fact, even if you try to invest for more fund, you only get for 14,000 amount of investment. And the day the IPO opens, 50, 60, 70%, that happened with the past IPOs, SDFC, AMC and all, where the IPO opened and it went up by 100%, 180%, 50%, 70%. So mostly people exit. And if like somebody have already confronted this, that agar wo company mein, if they if they have losses, then they keep that stock for some time to get money. Like that, I think that happened with SBI card also, that you got the IPO was good, but what happened, the company, because there was a false down cycle came in market, and SBI card did not able to go up. And so friends, yes, there is one person who has clearly answered this, Chandra Babu ji. I think Chandra Babu ji, or no, yeah, Anthony ji. He is writing, good keep and bad sell. That is what we all need to do. That is all we need to do. कि हम लोगों को अच्छी कंपनियों को होल्ड करना है और बैड को सेल करना है. So surely you can take opportunity of companies, but in fact, if the company is in loss, then do not find any opportunity in these companies. Now let me give some brief about the IPOs. IPOs के बारे में छोटी सी brief बताऊंगा मैं आपको. Brief ये है कि क्या, how many of you, I have 48 people right now. Can we study fundamentals of IPO? Is it possible? What do you think? Okay, Johnny ji is writing yes. No. Okay, Siraj Multani ji is saying no. Great. No. Okay, 3 people said no. Anybody else who either they don't know, or how many of you don't know about it? No idea. Okay. Yes, in some cases. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Johnny ji. Chandra Babu ji, yes. No. Manish ji is writing no. Anybody else? So friends, yes, this is a myth. As per the compliance, before going for an IPO, company should have 3 years of balance sheet, filed balance sheet. So friends, ये जो thought है, the thought which we have that we cannot study fundamentals of any company is a wrong thought. Okay, तो हम लोग हर कंपनी का IPO जिसका आ रहा है उसका फंडामेंटल स्टडी कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज इजीली अवेलेबल एंड बहुत अच्छे से स्टडी कर सकते हैं. जैसे हम लोग लिस्टेड कंपनी का, नॉर्मल कंपनीज का लाइक आईटीसी, रिलायंस और व्हाटएवर व्हिच आर लिस्टेड कंपनीज, जैसे हम लोग उनका फंडामेंटल स्टडी करते हैं, वैसे ही हम लोग आईपीओस का भी स्टडी कर सकते हैं. सो इन अ सिमिलर वे वी कैन स्टडी आईपीओस का फंडामेंटल. एंड with thanks value stocks had made it easy for everyone to have a look on fundamentals of all the IPOs. So would you like to see? So friends, how many years, kitna jaruri hai? 3 saal. If you write on chat, then you will keep this in mind. I have 45 people right now. If you can write कि कितने साल का बैलेंस शीट जरूरी है, so you will get fundamental for last 3 years minimum. और जो कंपनी होती है, those are old companies, तो जनरली आपको 5 से 10 साल का भी रिजल्ट मिलता है. सो मिनिमम 3 साल तो होता ही है. सो दिस इज अ वैल्यूएबल इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर 45 पीपल हु डोंट नो कि आईपीओस का भी फंडामेंटल्स होते हैं. सो इट इज कंपल्सरी टू हैव फंडामेंटल. तो बैलेंस शीट अगर है तो फंडामेंटल है, पीएल है तो फंडामेंटल है, कैश फ्लो है तो फंडामेंटल है. सो लास्ट 3 इयर्स इज मस्ट. जनरली हम लोग को 5 साल का ही मिलता है, बिकॉज कंपनीज आर बहुत कम स्टार्टअप कंपनियां होती हैं जिनका खाली 3 साल का बैलेंस शीट होता है. अदरवाइज जनरली स्टार्टअप और बहुत अच्छा आइडिया प्रोडक्ट है उन्हीं का 3 साल होगा. अदरवाइज जनरली सब कंपनियों का आपको 5 से 10 साल का रिपोर्ट मिलता है. सो इट्स वेरी इजी एंड डेटा इज अवेलेबल. सो वी कैन स्टडी फंडामेंटल ऑफ ईच एंड एवरी IPO. इज इट ओके फ्रेंड्स? So let's start. Let's study fundamental of an IPO. So before going there, most of you must be like, how we can get details of IPO, कितने में प्राइस में लिस्ट हो रही है, क्या प्राइस में लिस्ट हो रही है, कितना, क्या डेट है, क्या नहीं है. जैसे डेट तो हम लोगों ने यहाँ दे दिया, ओके, लेकिन किस प्राइस में लिस्ट हो रही है, क्या हो रही है, वो हम लोग को डिटेल अगर और करना है, so you can open NSE website. You go to old website of NSE. New website, maybe I think there is the thing. Let me check that. New website, IPO initial public offer. In new website they have market data, security, new public offer. Yeah. So in new website also, if you go to market data, just a second. If you go to market data and you click on new public issue, thank you Chandra Babuji, that is what you need to do. Okay, and they're not properly providing this all upcoming on in new website. They are not providing properly. NSE is not providing. So let us go to old website only. So old website, I'm giving you link of this old website also if you want to look at. For NSE, go to old website, product, and then initial public offering. Okay, if you click here and if you click on current market report, then बहुत छुपा के रखते हैं लोग book building and current issues. So if you click there, okay, new website में भी I'm saying you again कि ये लोग अभी I think they are developing this website, so they have not updated it, but otherwise ये भी रहेगा future में. So अभी old website में product में you need to go to initial public offering and then current issues, and if you click So friends, you can see these four companies which are coming with an IPO is Sona BLW and Shyam Metalic, and then Dodla Dairies and Dairies, sorry, Dodla Dairies and Krishna Institute of Medical Science. And ये रहा. और अगर आप इसको ओपन करते हैं, if you click on this, you will get further detail that ये तो है ही, क्या symbol होगा NSE का, ये symbol होगा, and this would be the price range. So you can apply this company, you can apply for this company's IPO between this price range 285 to 291. This is Sona BLW Precision Forging Limited. And now coming back to other IPO is Shyam Metalic. So in Shyam Metalic, the price range is 303 to 306. Okay, and minimum order quantity is 45 for general investor. You only get 45, you don't get more. If you are, even if you apply for 500, 600, whatever, but you generally don't get more. So now coming back to other two, so इनका भी price decide नहीं हुआ है. Maybe हम लोगों को ये एक दो दिन में ऊपर मिल जाएगा और बता दिया जाएगा कि किस प्राइस बैंड में ये लिस्ट होने वाले हैं. सॉरी, किस प्राइस बैंड में ये इशू होने वाले. ओके, सो अब आ जाते हैं हम लोग वैल्यू स्टॉक्स में डायरेक्टली. सो आई हैव ऑलरेडी गिवन यू लिंक, आई एम अगेन गिविंग यू लिंक दोज हु आर न्यू, वैल्यू स्टॉक्स का. अब वैल्यू स्टॉक्स ने क्या किया कि हम लोगों को प्राइस पता चल गया, कंपनी का नाम तो पता चल गया एनएससी से, लेकिन हमें फंडामेंटल पता नहीं चला. तो फंडामेंटल जानने के लिए हम लोग क्या करेंगे, लेट्स स्टडी सोना बीएलडब्ल्यू. सो हम लोग आएंगे सेलेक्ट विनिंग स्टॉक विद क्यूबीएस. So we need to click on select winning stock with QBS. If you click here and if you write Sona BLW Precision Forging, no quality score of Sona BLW Precision Forging. If you click here, okay, it will show you IPO as a name and a score of this company. So friends, see, there is sales growth, there's net profit is 0, there is no growth in net profit. We also need to see how is net profit doing in this company. Cash flow is positive 3 crore se, and return on equity is 53, which is quite impressive for this company Sona BLW Precision Forging. And if you go down, you will get to know the history of this company. So minus sign suggests that company was in loss in 2015-16. However, company sales were doing well. There was no cash flow, there was no good return on equity. In fact, the minus return on equity suggests that company ka net worth hi negative tha. So in 2015-16, this company Sona BLW, friends, this is the way I'm explaining you. In fact, कोई भी आने वाली IPO को आप बहुत easily ऐसे study कर सकते हैं. Okay, we will be discussing कि क्या lot कर सकते हैं चंद्र बाबू जी. We will be discussing that. Okay, so अगर मैं पीछे 5 साल पीछे जाऊं इस कंपनी के, तो ये समझ में आता है कि it only has sales, it was struggling in all other areas. So the company, this particular company, the forging company, was good in sales but was struggling in all other area. Now if you go up, it again did well in sales. In fact, sales growth has jumped, but profit was not there, profit growth was not there, and moreover the free cash flow was also negative. But company this time able to create a return on equity and has done some good in its return on equity. Again in 2017-18, you see there's no profit growth, there was no return on equity, again came down, and sales was going up. So this company has been continuously working to increase its sales. But in 2018-19, company again fall, and but in 2019-20 things has again changed for the company. There is no profit growth, but overall if you see, there's a growth in sales, there is a positive free cash flow, minute positive free cash flow, and return on equity is 53. So overall, if you are looking for a long-term gain in this particular company, then it doesn't look that much lucrative for investment. Agar aap, if now the IPOs depend on various factors, huh? Let me tell you this. So we are not going here to tell you whether you should apply for this IPO or not. But yes, why invest in IPO? Siraj Multani ji. Okay, let me explain this first. See, friend, this is the first place where an investor, you and me, decide via merchant bankers, via market research and all. वो बेस प्राइस होता है एक कंपनी का, अच्छी कंपनी का. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट द पुअर कंपनी. एक बेस प्राइस होता है. देयर आर मेनी कंपनीज व्हिच हैज listed at an IPO price, जिसको लोग, जिन लोगों को IPO मिला, like example there was a, say for example there is a company, or let's take HDFC AMC only. जिस प्राइस पे अलॉटमेंट हुआ था, जो इनिशियली इन्वेस्टर्स को मिला था, वो प्राइस आया ही नहीं. So IPO is a best place if you invest in good quality study. If you have studied good IPO and if you have invested, so you will get the best price of any company. So this is the reason IPO is kind of a best investment for some of the investors. I have met, I have experience of 15 years right now. I have met so many old investors, elder investors. They are like aged investors, like 50s, 60s wale investors jo hote hain na, ki they are like very focused, they know, and they have made money for their children, for their family, for everything. They have lots of money. 10 lakh se they know how to, they have created 20 crores. This is the fact. So I have met these kind of people. They used to say that we have always invested in IPO. So I was also shocked. It is, I'm telling you this point, this fact about 10 years ago's fact. When I used to meet these people, we have some of the sub brokers, we have some of the clients who only opened their Demat account for IPO. Okay, so they know, they understand the IPO well. Okay, and they buy these companies, and the allotment price, the price at which they get the company, when they acquire the company, or they get the shares, that price doesn't come in any future. Even बाजार वहां से और बढ़ते रहते हैं स्टॉक्स, और वो गिरते हैं तो उस भाव पर भी कभी नहीं आते. सो अच्छी कंपनियां ऐसी होती हैं. तो IPO इज अ बेस्ट एरिया टू बाय. हम लोग बोलते हैं ना वैल्यूएशन, ठीक है. IPO is the best way to buy undervalued companies. लेकिन आपकी एनालिसिस सही होनी चाहिए. That is utmost important. और एनालिसिस के लिए there is nothing vague in value stocks. So एनालिसिस के लिए very easy. Follow 4 thing. Yes, Siraj Multani ji, I think you are in rush. We are discussing that. Siraj Multani ji. Please hold your horses. We will be discussing that only. How to identify best IPO to invest. Yeah. So for IPO to invest, the only 4 fundamental factors that we always talk about is sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow, return on equity. Only these 4 factors IPO में भी आपको help करेगा कि company अच्छी है कि बुरी है. Whether I should invest in this IPO or not. IPOs में you can invest in 80% of the IPO, 30% are like they are bogus IPO, जो losses भी हैं, not able to survive. And if you invest listing date पे, they are down by 30-40%. But most of the IPO which are of good, जो slowly small company से आस्ते आस्ते big बन रही है, returns on equity better हो रही है, जिनका आपका sales अच्छा हो गया है, or now they have thought of coming as IPO, you will see on listing date they will open, say for example they have issued you share at 100 rupees. On listing day, you will get 130 rupees, 30% gain, 30 to 40% gain. On an average, that is a gain you get in good companies. And after that also, if you keep on holding that company keep on going up and up and up. So friends, इसीलिए, so 4 factors. So we have 47 people. The old theory, what we, or the old practice that we do with most of the webinar, if you can write this 4 factors on chat, you will get to know कि मुझे IPO, best IPO कैसे खोलना है. तो सिराज मुल्तानी जी, let's start with you. Please write down these 4 factors: sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and free cash flow. If company has this, this is the best way, best identified, best stock to invest in. वहां पे आप प्राइस बैंड नहीं देखिए, कुछ मत देखिए. You make sure your investment will be superb. So if you can write on the chat, we have 47, 48 people. Please, this will help you in keep these points in your mind as well as on your heart, in your heart. So if you write on chat, sales growth, profit growth, return on equity greater than 15, and positive free cash flow. These 4 factors will help you to identify best IPO to invest. I'm waiting for people to write on chat. If you can write, then you will surely choose best IPO for your investment and will make great profit. Waiting for some of the people to write on chat if you are interested, or should I go ahead? Okay, thank you Jagan Naidu ji, thank you very much. So Jagan Naidu ji, if you have written, so लिखने के बाद क्या होता है कि आप कहीं ना कहीं 25-30% तो उसको फॉलो कर ही लेते हैं. दिस इज अ ह्यूमन बिहेवियर. ठीक है. Yes, you can look for institutional investments also. If possible, we will discuss that also, Anthony ji. Okay. So Siraj Multani ji, you have got your answer that अगर ये चारों चीज हैं तो that is the best IPO. But अगर ये चारों चीज नहीं है तो क्या मिसिंग है इस कंपनी में? And if I invest, then if there is something missing, like sales is mostly आपको क्या मिलेंगे? What is common in most of the IPOs are they will have sales growth, but they will lack profit growth. मैं वापस से बता रहा हूँ, companies will have sales growth, but will lack profit growth. Like, let me show you this. Okay, somebody has asked for Shyam Metal. Let's look for Shyam Metal. Okay, let me complete that only. So first of all, so overall looking at Sona BLW Precision Forging, okay, it doesn't look that great, but yes, 1920 में कंपनी ने थोड़ा अच्छा किया है. और हमारे पास अभी तक 2021 का रिजल्ट है नहीं, मतलब करंट लास्ट ईयर का रिजल्ट है नहीं. सो इफ कंपनी हैज डन लिटिल वेल इन जब इसका रिजल्ट निकलेगा, बट यस, this company doesn't look that great. So yes, it is a company where you can invest and exit fast. So and investment is also on your own discretion, because there is lots of thing happens कि IPOs कितने grey market में and all, there lots of speculation goes on कि कितने लोगों ने subscribe किया है, नहीं किया है. So that also depends on IPO price. So depending on, but overall this is not a great IPO as other, that if you get application, if you अगर आपको stocks मिलते हैं तो आपको long term hold इसमें नहीं है. There are good companies in forging, better than this company with good score and all. So it doesn't make very great sense in holding this IPO. Okay, and invest करना है कि नहीं, that purely depends on your own discretion. Okay, तो वो decision आपको लेना है. But yes, application आने के बाद ये कंपनी में होल्डिंग, because nobody knows, मार्केट के सेंटिमेंट बहुत तेज हैं, तो हो सकता है कि सेंटिमेंट के साथ ये स्टॉक्स भी 15-20%, 30% ऊपर खुले. तो क्योंकि जनरली जैसे मैंने आपको कहा कि आईपीओ कम प्राइस में लिस्ट होते हैं, कम प्राइस में अलॉट होते हैं जनरल इन्वेस्टर्स को, तो खुलने के बाद 10-15%, 30% मिल जाते हैं. So that is the gain you can speculate on your own. We are not going to tell कि आपको whether you should invest or not. But yes, अगर लॉन्ग टर्म के लिए होल्ड करते हैं कोई इसको, तो ये वैसी स्टॉक नहीं है. सोना, BLW, प्रिसीजन फोर्जिंग. So let us come to this. Let us come to Shyam. What is the name? Shyam Metallic Energy. So let us come to Shyam Metallic Energy. So friends, एक और अच्छी बात है, the metal sector is doing very well. I think you all know. Thank you, Jagannath ji. Yeah. So we are coming to Shyam Metallic. Okay. So net profit is negative by 43% last to last year. There was negative sales growth, no sales growth, nothing. Free cash flow is negative. Free cash flow in 2017-18. If you look now, this company tried to do well in 2017-18, but again did not able to sustain. Now, and we can also look. So there's two area where you can look for the company. If you click here, if you look Shyam Metallic and Energy. If you go there, so the total score is 7 out of 21, which is very poor. Okay, and if you go down on return on equity, 20 में return on equity is 10. 19 तक ये अच्छी company थी. It was a good company with good return on equity. As I showed you in 18-19, it was doing well. Free cash flow has become negative. Okay, और sales भी negative हो रही है year on year. And profit, if you look at sales, let's open the sales figure. So last 3 years say it has got jump, then it's just surviving on its sales, not that great sales. And if you open the net consolidated profit, again the profit has come down. So this company is coming, I think. And friends, moreover, you will get to know some details of a small introduction about Shyam Metallic. That Shyam Metallic Energy is leading integrated metal producing company based in India, which focus on long steel product and ferroalloy. The company operates 3 manufacturing plant, 1 in Odisha and 2 in West Bengal. So अपने state की company है, the West Bengal. So company manufacturing plant also include captive power plant with an aggregate installed capacity of 227 megawatt as of December 31st, 2020. So these are some of the detail of the company, what it's making and what is it into, segment revenue kya hai. So some of the, and there's a more detail if you want detailed report. So you can also click on Red Herring Prospectus. Overall, if you look at the company doesn't look that lucrative to me. But again, as I said you in start of the meeting, and again and again I'm saying that IPO generally depend करते हैं. IPO generally depend करते हैं कि what is the sentiment of the market. So yes, the sentiment of the market is very bullish, and moreover metals are very highly bullish right now. All metal companies are doing very well. So this may open at good price. Allotment price is, let me see that also. I think 303 was allotment price. So this might happen because of market scenario or sentiment. You may gain 20-30% in listing on listing date, but फर्दर इस कंपनी को बड़ा होने के लिए, अच्छा रिटर्न देने के लिए इस कंपनी को अभी थोड़ा टाइम है. So Shyam Metallic need to do well in its profit and sales to make investors happy and to gain market price. Now somebody asked me about, because I know mutual fund, क्योंकि shareholding pattern is not compulsory. All details of mutual funds holding and all comes through shareholding pattern. So those are not compulsory for any company to announce before they have listed. So अगर आप देखेंगे, और generally non listed company में generally हालांकि most of the companies also invest, most of the mutual fund invest in non-listed companies also, but generally you will find कि छोटी कंपनियां जो होती हैं उनमें म्यूचुअल फंड इंस्टीट्यूशन का इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं होता है. द क्वेरी वाज आस्क्ड बाय एंटनी जी. सो जनरली इंस्टीट्यूशंस के इन्वेस्टमेंट्स आपको नहीं मिलेंगे इसमें. सो और क्यूआईपी के इन्वेस्टमेंट्स अगर ऑन द डेट ऑफ लिस्टिंग ही पता चलते हैं या नेक्स्ट शेयर होल्डिंग पैटर्न में अपने को पता चलेगा जनरली. तो इस पे एनालिसिस करना इज लिटिल डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज यू डोंट हैव डेटा. सो डिफिकल्ट क्या है, सम टाइम इट बिकम इम्पॉसिबल. So you have to rely on fundamentals. So looking at Shyam Metlick fundamentals, it doesn't look that lucrative or great to me. Yes, Manish Joshi ji has asked very good question. I think please everybody read it. I am writing this on notepad and showing everyone also. I am going to answer this query. I remember, I think I've also taken this IPO on Burger King and all, but yeah, and which did not had good fundamental, great fundamental. So this is the query of whose query is this? Sorry, I forgot the name. This is the query of Manish Joshi ji. Is asking, Barbecue and Burger King have done so well on listing and also as of now, in spite of high valuation and not that attractive fundamental, more because of brand name, investors' expectation of future speculation, etc. That's correctly true, sir. Even if the fundamentals were not that great in these companies, but still they did well. So anybody would like to answer this? Anybody, why did this company did well? Or Manish ji, if you know why did these companies did well, even they do not have that lucrative or attractive fundamentals. Anybody? Yeah, we'll be discussing, Nilesh ji. We'll be discussing. Yes, I think I got the answer. Market frenzy. We do not have that detail, Kamal ji. Thank you, Shankar ji. Because of bull market. Friends, let me tell you, मैंने starting of the webinar में, I think at that point of time, very few people has joined. As I said you, कि जब market की अच्छी time चलती है ना, तो बुरे से बुरी company भी चल जाती है. So that is the fact. Even you agree or not, those who are old in stock market, those who have seen bad market and good market both, they will agree to this fact. But जिन लोगों ने खाली अभी recent market देखा है, those who have only seen bullish market, they might not agree or they will not understand what I'm going to say. Yes, it goes in balance sheet. Yes. So return on equity. So it become an equity part of an equity, sir. Anjan Yogi ji, it becomes a part of your equity. Equity का जो value है ना, reserves and surplus, it goes there. The amount goes there. With that fund, company invest in buy machineries and whatever and do business. Yeah. Yes, that's correct, Anjan ji. So क्या होता है कि bull market में these companies do well, but see, you need to understand, जब bull market का myth खत्म होता है, market जब equilibrium पे आती है, market जब गिरती है, market जब मांगती है कि चलो मैंने आपको बहुत हेल्प किया, आपका शेयर का प्राइस 100 रुपए था, मैंने उसको 250 रुपए लाया, अब आपकी बारी, आपका सेल्स लास्ट ईयर 120 करोड़ था, इसको 122 करोड़ करके दिखाओ. Are you getting me, friend? When market reward any company, please understand this. Even those who are entrepreneur here, if you are paying some extra salary to your employees, what happened? You expect some extra service from them. Do you agree with me or not? Who will agree to me? कि अगर आप, if you are paying some extra salary to your employee, then you will have some extra expectation from your employee. Is it true or no? Yes. So in a similar way, when market reward any particular company, okay, जैसे Burger King and all on brand or whatever, it reward तो कर देती है, but next year जब और प्राइस आता है, then प्राइस एक बार कहीं रुक जाता है, market start asking what was your sales last year. So barbecue will reply or Burger King will reply, my sales last year was 100 crore, and market will reply, what is it this year? And if this year the sales is 120 crore, then you are welcome, and I'm again going to salute you with 20% growth in price movement. Price movement भी और प्राइस के साथ में 20-25% आपको दूंगा ग्रोथ. लेकिन अगर 100 करोड़ से if the sales goes down to 80 crore, market will punish like anything. Friends, there are many companies. In fact, I know some of the companies. Ispat, if you have heard, in 2008 there was a Ispat. There was a company named Ispat, and there are many companies, Diamond Power and all companies. वो लोग रिपेंट करते हैं कि हम लोग आईपीओ क्यों लेके आए. They just shout like, why did I bring IPO boss? अरे मैं तो सस्टेन नहीं कर पाया कंपनी को. और वो लोग बिना आईपीओ के जितना अच्छा चला रहे थे कंपनी, और चला पा रहे थे जैसे तैसे, आईपीओ लाने के बाद the scrutiny, the pressure is too much in the company. So bull market, they are relaxed, but when market will ask for, when there's equilibrium, bear market की बात नहीं कर रहा. I'm not talking about bear market also. I'm talking about when market come to an intrinsic value. जब मार्केट रिजल्ट्स में पूछती है, प्राइस बढ़ने से पहले पूछती है बाजार कि अब तो तुम्हारा प्राइस मैंने बहुत बढ़ा दिया, अब तो सेल्स दिखाओ, अब तो प्रॉफिट दिखाओ. एंड इफ कंपनी फेल्स, then these companies struggles a lot. Then you will find 30-40% fall in these companies. So for Manish Joshi ji, that is only I want to say is picture abhi baki hai in these companies. So ये तो नए बच्चे हैं स्टॉक मार्केट के, बर्गर किंग एंड बारबेक्यू एंड ऑल. सो नीड टू सी कि ये नए बच्चे कैसा परफॉर्म करते हैं फंडामेंटल. अगर परफॉर्म नहीं करते हैं तो मार्केट इज अ मदर हु ट्रीट इक्वली टू ईच एंड एवरी स्टॉक्स, ईच एंड एवरी कंपनी. ये ऐसी माँ है स्टॉक मार्केट, एम से ही चालू है स्टॉक मार्केट, एम मार्केट. So it treat equally to each and every stocks. It do not do any discrimination. If the fundamentals is good, it will appreciate that company. The fundamental is poor, it will just throw that company out from its total domain even. This is the scenario of the stock market. So maybe because of this rising market, they are doing well, or kahin na kahin they are trying to come up with new funds and all. So the next result will decide. So that is the reason, अगर आप IPO hold भी कर रहे हैं, कोई भी IPO शाम में क्लिक हो या कोई भी हो, अगर if you are buying, please wait for the quarterly results to come in for the company. If the quarterly results come good, keep that company with you. It will go up and up and up. But if quarterly result poor आते हैं, then exit those companies. Okay. Now let us go to the other two companies, the Dodla Dairies and Dodla Dairy. If you click on no quality business score of Dodla Dairies, get to know. So last year the company did not have sales profit growth, had negative profit growth of 20%, but free cash flow अच्छी है, return on equity weak है, but 10 के ऊपर है, 15 के ऊपर होनी चाहिए, but 10 के ऊपर है because it is a milk business. So let's ठीक है, okay, we can give little benefit of doubt to this company looking at sales, which is growth of this. Then you in 2018-19 company had everything, even sales growth, profit growth. Did you find any difference in the last two company which we discussed and this company? Did you find any difference? The difference is it at least had 1 year which is all four. But in last two IPOs which we discussed, that did not had all four. That means company kahin na kahin capable hai in making fundamentals better. So if you see 18-19, sales growth, profit growth, free cash flow greater positive, and return on equity was greater than 15. So all four score. Then again, 22, sales growth and profit growth, free cash flow was slightly negative by 2 crore. Then, but still okay. Return on equity was greater than 15, 3 marks. Here, company did not show profit growth, but and there was slightly free cash flow was not that great, and debt equity might be little higher, but return equity was good. It got 2 marks. So overall, looking at last three, this is the third IPO we are discussing. Dodla Dairy looks good on fundamental. Okay, and if you look at the total score, if you look at total score of Dodla Dairies, you will find the total score is 14 out of 21, which is great. Generally हम लोग 15 अगर होती है तो बहुत अच्छी मानते हैं out of 22, but in 21 there is 14 out of 21. So it is great company. So Dodla Dairy looks very great to me. Market are good. It is in buy trend, and Dodla Dairy should be looked upon for investment. You can think of investing in Dodla Dairies. Okay. Now, which is the fourth IPO? Let us discuss the fourth IPO. The fourth IPO is Krishna Institute of Medical Science. Let us look for that. Sir, the theory, the basic is same for normal equity analysis and IPO. आपको ये चारों फैक्टर ही देखने हैं. You need to see only these 4 factors. Now, Krishna Medical Science and all. Yes, it was good. There was no profit growth last year, but 3 mark. There was loss in 2018. Whenever we give -1, that means the net profit is to growth to hai nahi and loss mein hai. So company were in loss in 2018-19, but there was sales growth. Return equity was also very weak. It has turned around in 2019-20, or poor. Before that, 1918, they have done well. Otherwise, they were not that great. They were in fact weak. So Krishna Institute of Medical Science is also not that great. But yes, because company has revived recently. If you click over here and check at KIMS, NSE symbol is KIMS. So no, we do not do Anjanji for SME segment. But the theory remains same for for all the companies. Just a second. So overall, looking at Dodla Dairy is as per the fundamental analysis, Dodla Dairy looks very great. Now, as I said, IPOs are very different, and it may happen that Dodla Dairy may open a flat on the listing day, and you may find Krishna Medical or BLW or any other company opening superbly high on listing day. So that totally depend on sentiment. So, but on fundamental basis, yes, Dodla Dairy is a good company for investment, and rest 3 are out of which medical is still last year they have done well. So it is like second not best in fact, it is like okay in second scenario, and all that Shyam Metallic and BLW Precision Forging doesn't look that great. So that is all for the IPO. Let me open, if you can open this. Yeah, so Krishna Institute of Medical is 5 out of 21. And if you come down, if you look for sales, they have shown significant growth in sales. Okay, significant growth in sales, but profits this time they have done. So from loss, somehow the company has turned around. So this can be a risky bet, but recent result has been very great in the company. So company ने कुछ तो find out किया है. Now what they have find out, that we need to check out कि क्या है, और about the company अगर we need to study. So these are the things. It's a large corporate healthcare company in Andhra Pradesh. I think two of the companies are from Andhra Pradesh, Dodla Dairies and this Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, in terms of number of patients treated and treatment offered. It operates 9 multi-specialty hospital. I think because of COVID they have done well. Maybe because of COVID they have done very well in last 1 year. So if you see, with aggregate bed capacity of 3064 including. So when you read all these things, आपको खुद भी एक intuition चला जाता है कि whether I should invest in these IPO or not. So that is all, friend. Hope you like the small how to calculate AGS. No, Siraj Multani ji, AGS is not available. So अगर मैं फंडम जैसे sorry, I'm saying this quote, very sorry for that. But ऐसा होता है ना कि बोलते हैं कि मुर्गी पहले आई कि अंडा पहले आया. तो आज मुझे एक चीज समझ में आया कि अगर मैं कहूँ फंडामेंटल पहले आया कि टेक्निकल, तो आईपीओ से आज मुझे ये समझ में आया कि फंडामेंटल पहले आया, टेक्निकल बाद में आया. So yes, you don't get technical analysis over here. Exactly, you don't get technical analysis over here, but yes, fundamental you can get. So जब तक technical नहीं होगा, price नहीं होगा, AGS हम लोग calculate नहीं कर सकते. So you can only calculate QBS, and QBS for Dodla Dairy is very good, and rest other are very poor. So, and only for KIMS I'm saying, because the company has revived and is in medical treatments in all hospitals, so it may do well. Rest two companies are very risky bet. So please decide think before you invest. But as I said you, because these IPOs are, you cannot decide, you cannot think what they do. In fact, even some Ajib sa IPO, they just come and go up. So historical QBS we have shown, Siraj Multani ji. So if you want to see historical QBS, please join one-to-one webinar, they will show you. So that is all. Hope you guys like the webinar. Any query on IPOs? Did we answer most of the queries? Thank you, Siraj Multani ji. Thank you. Nowadays, I think whether they will come or they have gone, we need to check. Okay, friends. Thank you very much. Hope you invest well, and do not forget to join one-to-one webinar, one-to-one raised webinar for understanding about the value stocks and all. Those who are new, please connect with us. Be a part of this great journey of fundamental analysis, because this is only going to survive in future, fundamental analysis, and will make you huge profitable growth. Thank you, everyone. Thank you all for joining this webinar on Sunday. Thank you. Living. Okay. Thank you very much, friends. Bye-bye.